Hello everyone, welcome to my YouTube channel Indian Landmark.
In this video, I will talk about Haridwar. Haridwar is located in the lower Shivalik hills and the western bank of the river Ganga in lower Garhwal. Haridwar serves as the gateway to the Char Dhams of Uttarakhand and Devbhoomi. Haridwar is also one of the four places where Kumbh Mela occurs after rotation of every 12 years and Earth Kumbh after every 6 years. For the millions of Hindus who revere the Ganga and flock to it to be rejuvenated by its waters, going to Haridwar is like fulfilling a life's ambition. This sacred town is where Hindus come from far to ritually immerse the ashes of their kin. Haridwar has not only remained a abode of the weary in body, mind, and spirit, but also served as a center of attraction for learning the arts, science, and culture. Haridwar has a long-standing position as a great source for Ayurvedic medicines and herbal remedies, as well as its unique Gurukul school system of traditional education. In the evening, the ghats look breathtakingly beautiful as thousands of diyas and marigold flowers float and illuminate the holy waters. Places to visit in Haridwar. First one is Har Ki Puri. This ghat is believed to be the exact spot where the holy Ganga enters the plain. The river enters the sacred Brahmkund from one side and exits from the other. The Ganga Mandir and Haricharan Mandir are here. The busy ghat is a preferred spot for ritual dips and pujas, especially for the souls of the departed. It is believed that Lord Vishnu left his footprint on a rock. A priest will be able to guide you to reach the spot and touch it. Second one is Ganga Aarti. Attending the evening Aarti at Har Ki Pauri is a must as the crowd begin to gather and the loudspeaker announcement keep getting strident. Be wary of people walking around with received book trying to take donations. While the Aarti is held on the promenade above Brahmkund, a better view can be had from the other side of the stream. Timing vary as per season, but the Aarti is always held soon after sunset and it is sensible to reach about 30 minutes before sunset to secure a place in the best viewing spots. Third one is Chandi Devi Temple. This shrine is atop the Nil Parvat, a hill near Haridwar. The 3-kilometer climb to the top is a little tough for the unfit. The walking route goes past Kamraj Ki Kali temple. The rope is the popular option and yields good views too. Fourth one is Mansa Devi temple. The approach to the temple, located atop the Hilkeswar hill, is lined with landscaped gardens, noisy shops, and a long queue makes the atmosphere picnic-like. Fifth one is Vaishno Devi temple, a replica of the Vaishno Devi temple in Kashmir. The temple is marked by tunnels and cave that leads to the inner sanctum containing the shrine of goddess Vaishno Devi. Sixth one is Daksha Mahadev temple. Haridwar Daksha Mahadev temple is dedicated to Lord Shiva. This temple becomes a center of attraction in the month of Sawan when all the devotees flock to the temple to worship. Seventh one is Patanjali Yogpit. Patanjali Yogpit is a medical and research institute in yoga and Ayurveda located in Haridwar, Uttarakhand. It is also renowned as one of the largest yoga institutes in India as well as in the world. The institute is named after Rishi Patanjali, who is acclaimed for the invention of yoga and is Baba Ramdev's flagship project. If one is interested in Ayurveda and yoga, it is one of the finest places to visit in Haridwar. Eighth one is Shanti Kunj. Shanti Kunj is a world-renowned ashram and headquarters of all World Gayatri Parivar, located in Haridwar, an academy for social and spiritual awakening. This pilgrimage center has shown the right path and given long-lasting happiness to crores of people, and ideal places which imparts training to the masses based on divine spiritual principle. It aims for the revival of Rishi traditions. Ninth one is Chilla Wildlife Sanctuary. Spread across 249 square kilometers east of Ganga, the wildlife sanctuary is home to small cats, tigers, elephants, and bears apart from various birds.
Thanks for watching this video and please don't forget to like, comment, share and subscribe.